Hi guys, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share this Chinese New Year makeup look inspired by all of the prosperous colors. And I'm personally really obsessed with this look, so without further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, I'm going to start off with the primer because we want this makeup to last all day long while we are hunting for the Hong Bao. If you don't know what a Hong Bao is, it is basically the red envelope which are usually filled with money and symbolize good wishes and luck for the new year ahead. Now we're moving on to the base makeup, and I'm going to concentrate in concealing my under eye areas because my sleep schedule is non-existent at the moment. Next, we're moving into the bronzer to bring back the colors to my face and also to contour my super puffy cheek. I'm going to contour my nose as well because I'm lacking in that department. For the blush, I'm going with a very bright red color, so I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow for the blush. But it turned out to be super pigmented, so I'm trying my best to blend it out. And no worries because I can blend it with my BB cushion as well to cover up the pigmentation bit. Look at this final look and how the blush blended perfectly. I'm also gonna be adding a highlighter to the highest parts of my face. We're going to have fun with the eye color, and I'm taking this nude pink color, and with a fluffy brush I'm going to apply it slightly above my crease as a transition color. Yellow gold color symbolizes the imperial color in Chinese tradition, so it represents power, royalty, and prosperity. So of course I'm gonna be using this color to the center of my lids, and cheers to a more prosperous year ahead. Red symbolized luck, joy, and happiness, so I'm gonna be using this pretty red color on my outer corner. Both combinations of this color are very commonly used in Chinese tradition and also decoration. With a fluffy brush and nude color to blend out the whole color, and look how gorgeous they all look together. I'm taking the same red color to line my outer lower lash line to balance out the whole look. And then I'm taking the champagne color for my inner lower lash to brighten up my eyes. After my eyeliner, I'm going to curl my lash and put on my favorite mascara, but I won't put any falsies because it will make my eyes look bigger, and I really want to embrace my natural eye shape in this video because I'm a proud Chinese. To finish up this whole look, I'm going to add a red lip tint and we are done with the makeup look. So here I am wearing my red dress, but I'm adding a black trouser for a more chic look. And I'm also gonna be putting my hair into two side space buns, and oh my gosh, I'm really vibing with this look. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this makeup look and comment down below how do you usually celebrate Chinese New Year. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!